We shepherds are the best of men that ever trod English ground, and when we reach an alehouse, we value not a pound. Oh, we drink our liquor freely, and we pay before we go, 'cause there's no ale on the wold where the stormy winds do blow. A man that is a shepherd must have a valiant heart. He must not be faint-hearted, but boldly play his part. Oh, he must not be faint-hearted, be it hail or rain or snow, with no ale on the wold where the stormy winds do blow. When I kept sheep on Blockley Hill, it made my heart to weep, to see the ewes hang out their tongues, and to hear the foals to bleat. So I plucked up my courage, and over the hill did go, to pen my sheep in the fold where the stormy winds do blow. When I had safely penned my sheep, I turned my back in haste, and to a jovial company